Hey guys, Lance here. Today I'm going to install, hopefully you can read that, a ceiling fan remote control kit. So I currently have a ceiling fan with a remote control, but for whatever reason the remote doesn't work very well. And so I'm going to pop it off. I'm going to replace it. This one supposedly will work with Amazon Alexa, Google, and other smart homes. So I'm going to swap it out and set it up. First, I had to pop this down. You can see my current unit here. Make sure the power's off. And then I'm gonna just disconnect this, swap in the new one. So here I have, this came disconnected when I pulled it out, but this, as you can see, says AC in. It should be either this black or this red one, my ground, and then this is the white common cable. So I've got the unit out. I'm going to disconnect all the wires. I'm going to take a picture so I know what these ones are labeled so that I can get everything hooked back up the way it goes. Okay, here is the old unit that I've taken out, and here's the new one that I'm going to put in. You can see it's got all the same cables, same color. This is the little manual. This is the little manual it comes with. This is the new wire nuts and the old. So you can see there's quite a bit different in size. That's okay, it's probably just one's newer. So now that I got them out, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this baby up in there and get going on the install. Okay, I have everything hooked up now. And you can see I haven't tucked it in yet because I want to make sure it worked. Put in batteries because it didn't come with them. Okay, so the light turned on and it beeped. Let's see if we turn it off. Yeah, turns it off, turns it on. Let's see if we can turn the fan on. Hello, oh, look at that. And looks like it's turning off. Yep. So the last thing I need to do is tuck in all those power cables up in there and put the cover back on. You can see I have a ring where I used to have a light. I guess I need to repaint my ceiling. All right, get everything up in there, tucked in there. Once you have it installed, you use the instructions that came with it to add it to the app that's recommended. In my case, it was Smart Home. Once I have it added, I can control the fan from there, and then I can go over to Alexa and add the fan into Alexa so I have voice control.